Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here with a cool update on the WordPress permission settings in GoHighLevel. So if you're using the WordPress hosting in GoHighLevel and you want to limit access for certain staff members, you can easily do that now inside of GoHighLevel. So let me take you to my GoHighLevel sub account, and as you can see under sites, I do have a WordPress option here for this sub account. I already have WordPress enabled. Now let's say I want to make sure that I do not want to give access to certain staff members to WordPress. Let's say you're working with subcontractors or maybe a freelancer who doesn't need to see this, right? So you can easily make sure of that. All you have to do is head over to your staff members or my staff, and then let's say this is the person for whom we want to restrict access. So all you have to do is click on this edit icon here, and then under rules and permissions, if you scroll all the way down, you'll find WordPress here. So all we have to do is just disable this toggle, and now if we hit save, this person will not be able to see your WordPress settings or your WordPress site. Now we can quickly test this as well. So if you click on your avatar here, and if you are the agency admin, you can log in as this person right here. And once I'm logged in as this staff member, you'll see it right here on the top. So let's go back here and then head over to sites to see if we do see WordPress. So you can see that we do not have WordPress here on the top, which means that they do not have access to view or manage it, right? So this is exactly how you can make sure that you're fully in control of this process and you're not compromising your website or WordPress security. That was about this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and we'll get back to you.